This one thing will keep you from getting ghosted in this AI hellscape we call the internet, your personal brand. So let's destroy some massive BS myth right now. Personal branding is only for influencers or content creators. That is wrong. Personal branding is for literally anyone with a pulse who doesn't want to be mistaken for a bot. Congrats on being human. Now prove it before people start asking you for your CAPTCHA credentials. And in case you didn't realize this yet, you already have a personal brand. Being a ghost online is still a branding choice, just an insanely bad one. So you might as well grab the wheel before your reputation drives itself off a freaking cliff. And please, for the love of all things holy, stop creating endless content like it's 2022. That ship has sailed, crashed, and sunk to the bottom of the algorithm ocean. Content is dead. Stories are everything. Why? Well, because in this cesspool of AI generated garbage and digital trust issues, connection is the only thing with currency, the only currency we have that's worth a damn right now. People don't hand their money to strangers, they buy from people they know, like, and trust. While everyone else is churning out soulless listicles, you have a golden opportunity to inject some actual human energy into your audience's feed and attract clients who are desperate for something real. Let me murder another myth while I'm at it. You need to be an expert with 10,000 hours before building a personal brand. Bullshit. Your personal brand isn't about pretending to be some guru. We all can smell a fake expert from a mile away. It's cringy as fuck. And some of the best personal brands I see daily aren't claiming to know everything. They're just passionate humans with a unique perspective and usually have something cool or useful to sell. So stop faking it till you make it and start owning your true, authentic self wherever you are in your journey. And the absolute best way to start, stop giving boring tips and start telling stories, your stories. Or if you don't feel like you have any, start telling other people's stories. As Jonathan Goshall said, we are, as a species, addicted to story. Even when the body goes to sleep, the mind stays up all night telling itself stories. What the hell does that mean? Stories hit harder than facts ever could. They build trust, trigger empathy, connect us faster than Starlink. Sorry, Elon. So kiss the perfect how-to post goodbye and start spilling some tea. Here are the four stories you need to tell if you don't want to be mistaken for a bot. Number one is where I came from, aka your origin story. This isn't your boring ass LinkedIn bio. This is the raw, messy truth about how you became you. Think superhero origin story. What traumatic backstory made you who you are? What's your kryptonite? Who's your villain? What mission are you obsessed with? These origin stories are timeless. There's Frodo Baggins, Spider-Man, Gladiator, and it's important to note that these people and their stories aren't perfect. They've stolen, they've lied, they've made questionable choices just like you and me. So don't sanitize your story. Those mistakes and wake-up calls make you human in a world that's drowning in perfection. Number two is what I care about, even when it has nothing to do with business. A shocking 89% of customers prefer brands that share their values. And these values don't have to be remotely connected to what you sell. I'm obsessed with my niece Cora. When I lost my babies and couldn't have children, it flipped my entire life and business upside down. And Cora really helped me heal as a woman. Every time I share anything about my struggle with infertility and my miscarriages or post a cute video of Cora, people go crazy. Does it have anything to do with marketing? Nope. But it shows I'm a real human with a beating heart who's crazy about her niece. People want the whole messy you, not just your polished professional version. Number three, who I help. Let your customers brag for you. There's one obvious but powerful truth here. Let other people talk about how awesome you are because it's 100% less cringe than doing it yourself. A staggering 72% of customers trust businesses more after reading positive reviews, and 88% trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. That's pretty intense. Humans, we're nosy creatures. We love peeking into other people's transformation stories because we can picture ourselves in their shoes. Highlight the before, hellish nightmare, and after, heavenly bliss of working with you. Be sure to keep the spotlight on them, though, and not your amazing service. The story will do the selling without you having to get all sleazy or manipulative about it. Number four, what I really do. So there's what you tell strangers at networking events, and then there's the fire that keeps you going when everything's falling apart. What do I do? I teach people copywriting and marketing strategies. What do I really do? I show badass humans that their message can change the freaking world. I empower them to use their voice to create the life they've been dreaming of while making an actual impact on humanity. This goes way beyond your skills or expertise. It's all about the revolution you're starting. My followers know I'm waging a war against manipulative, scammy marketing tactics. I've made it my mission to teach honest strategies that don't make you feel like you need a shower after using them. Notice how these are all stories? They don't sell, they show and tell. If the thought of sharing your stories online makes you want to crawl into a hole and die, whether you're just starting introverted as fuck or allergic to social media, listen, I get it, but this is essential. And this is something I actually teach in Cash Flow Copy, my mentorship program for freelancers and business owners who want what they say online to transfer into deposits into their account. You'll walk away knowing exactly how to position yourself as the go-to person in your industry and attract clients who are desperate for what you offer and a shit ton more. So save your spot at the link below. Now tell me, what story are you going to tell first? Drop it in the comments and I'll see you next week. Bye.